Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I want to show you how to create our first ASP.NET Core MVC project with the Visual Studio. Now, let's begin. This is my Visual Studio 2022, and after clicking on that, I have two options. First, I can come over here and create the new project, and this is the new project window. Also, you can escape this window and continue without cut. So this is the continue without cut. Over here, I have the file, get inside it, the new and the project. And this is the same project like the previous method. So you can use this method, or if I come over here, close this and start it from scratch. And you can create the project directly over here. Both of these are similar, so no worries. Come to the create the new project. And here at the top, I have the search box to search the project type that you want to create. Also, you can use one of these combo boxes. So come over here and select the first one. For instance, the C# because I want to work with the C# programming language. Also, you can select one of these, but my favorite one is the C#. Then I have the platform. I want to work with the Windows, so I can select the Windows or one of the other options. So let's select this. Come to the last and the project tab. I want to create the website, so it is the web, and click the web. Now in this list, I have all of the available options for the C#, Windows, and the web. And as you see over here, I have the ASP.NET Core, then the ASP.NET Core Empty up to the end. Also, you can search your project type easily and say ASP and the ASP.NET and the ASP.NET Core up to the end. So if I take a deeper look at the top, I have the ASP.NET Core Web App. This is the second project type, and it is based on the Razor pages. So as I mentioned previously, we have the MVC project and also the Razor pages. I don't want to work with the Razor pages, so come over here and easily escape this. In the next step, I have the ASP.NET Core Web API. That is not my intention. Go to the next. And the next is the ASP.NET Core Empty. So if you want to create completely empty project, and it is based on the ASP.NET Core technology, so you can select this. Later, I'll show you how to use it. And in the next step, I have the ASP.NET Core Web App by the MVC, or Model View Controller. So this is my favorite one. Indeed, this is the template for creating the MVC by the ASP.NET Core technology. And you can see more information over here. So let's select this and come to the next. Now it's time to configure the project. The first one is the project name. So you can write freely anything that you want. So it is first MVC, and come over here, click on this and get inside this folder, for instance, and select folder. Also, you can leave this by default. And the solution name. What is the solution? The solution is something like the folder that we can add one or more project inside it. Do you want to save the solution and the project inside the same directory? No, so uncheck this. Go to the next and come to this window. In this window, we need to select the .NET version. As you see over here, I have the .NET 6. And it is the LTS, or long-term support. In the future, maybe you have more options, something like the .NET 7 or the higher versions. You can easily select this version, the 6.0 or the newer version. But to prevent any unexpected errors, I strongly recommend you to select the .NET 6.0. Then I have all the options configured for HTTPS. What is the HTTPS? If you need to add one more security layer to your website, then the Google search engines like that. So check this checkbox, configure for HTTPS. But personally, in this step, I don't want to add any security or security layer to my project. And instead of the HTTPS, I want to select the HTTP. So uncheck this. Later, we can add this feature to our website, no worries. And also, we have all the options that in this step is not important and matter. So let's come over here and create our first MVC .NET Core project. Let's be patient. Congratulations, we did it. Now my first MVC project by the ASP.NET Core is generated automatically. As you see, I have all of these folders and predefined and default items that are added automatically to my project. As I mentioned, this is the default template if you want to create the MVC websites. Later, I'll show you how to add the empty project for the ASP.NET Core and create everything that you want from scratch. So don't worry about anything and just follow my tutorial. So what about the next step? In the next step, I'm going to show you how to start running this website, and I'm going to quickly talk about the overall structure of the MVC. It's time consuming, so stay with me. Thanks for your time.